Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that the fall 2024 FabFitFun box is here. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the fall 2024 box just arrived. FabFitFun actually did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm actually super excited about all of the different choices, and I'm really excited to choose my own box when it comes. And I think I'm still gonna do the all mystery, but add a few of the items that I wanted in addition. So once I can go in and actually choose my own, and once that's shipped, I will have that up for you guys. So stay tuned to that video, and I'll have an all mystery box if you would like to see what that is going to be. But today we are going to check this one, and I was able to choose all of the items, and I'm so excited. They actually do have my own code for you guys to help you save some money. If you are interested in going to the seasonal box, just season per season, you can use SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off your very first box. Or if you wanted to save money, have early access and go to the annual membership, because now you can choose every single item inside your box no matter what member you are. The perk of having an annual membership now is to save money and choose your products and shop your add-on sale before the normal members. So again, you can choose everything, so that's a great thing. But if you want to go to the annual membership, you can use SheCrafty gift, and that will get you an additional gift that's valued up to like $200 in addition to your normal annual savings and your box and all of that. So SheCrafty gift for annual, or SheCrafty for 20% off a seasonal box. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's all inside of this one. I mean, I already know. And if you're unfamiliar with how I do my unboxings, I've been doing this one for, I don't know, like 5-6 years. I love to show you all of the different products because, again, that is the beauty in this. You get to now customize your entire box no matter what member you are. So I like to show you all of the different options just so you see like how you would tailor it for yourself. When we open it up, Ricola. There might be a little free sample in here because they're definitely promoting Ricola. There's not actually a sample in the box like I was thinking, but it does say you can scan this QR code and get one on them. When we open this up, I'm gonna show you just how it is sent. Ooh, all the nice little flowers inside of the box. So all of the items are right here. I'm gonna just remove them all and put them in front of me. I will show you them one by one as we go through the different categories. And that is the inside of the box. That is so cute. You can always save these and store things in them. They make great storage boxes, especially I have them all in my garage with stuff in them, so you can definitely store them. So now let's go ahead and go through all of the different options for customization. Number 1, you could choose from an Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter valued at $45. Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, that's valued at $69. Fourth and Reckless, a faux suede crescent bag valued for $60. Kapari Beauty Moisture Whipped Cream valued for $42. KitchenAid Cookie Bundle Set of 2 9x13 baking sheets and a cookie lifter valued at $45. KitchenAid Loaf Pan valued at $29.99. Get It Right set of 3 utensils plus a ceramic holder valued at $78.85. Sunday Citizen Snug Throw in Buttercream or in Masala Orange, both valued at $65. Decorative Glass Bowl set of 3 valued at $80. There's a glass oil vessel. It is valued at $80. Or you could simply choose a mystery item. So for those options, I chose the KitchenAid loaf pan. I do have a bigger loaf pan that I've been making like breads and stuff like that in. And when I saw this one is smaller and my favorite color, I'm like, that's what I would like. So I chose this one. This again was valued at $29.99. And that is definitely the perfect size and the perfect color. Look at that mint color. That is just gorgeous. And I love that it's like ceramic, and I'm so excited to actually use it. It says it's a 1.5 quart oven, freezer, and microwave safe. Also dishwasher safe. I love that. So all of the options for number 2 will be, you can choose from a table runner valued at $42. Dr. Jart Intensive Soothing Repair Cream valued for $52. Truth Serum Hydrating Vitamin C valued for $56. There's a jewelry box valued for $98. Kate Spade Rose Gold Aviator Sunglasses valued for $129. Pick Me Up Ceramic Coated Tumbler in Crabapple or Merlot, both valued at $49.99. There's a pair of slipper slides in Irish Cream color. They're in size small, medium, and large, all valued at $49. Puma Sling Bag, valued for $45. Kapari Beauty Golden Aura Body Oil, valued at $39. Or you could simply choose a mystery item. And for me, I chose the jewelry box. I just thought that would be really nice to kind of store like my better kind of like jewelry in, because I have a whole lot of costume jewelry, that's for sure. But I just thought it would be nice to have a place nice and secure for like my good stuff. So this is how it looks. This right here again is valued at $98. Bradley London is the name, and it has like a magnetic closure right here that holds it down. And then when you open it up, let me get that desiccant out. That is what it looks like down inside. So you have, there's something else that was protecting something. So you have this right here for all of your rings, or you can put like pens or something like that in there. Anything can go here. You have a little pouch to put here, and then you have even 2 little things here that you can put like necklaces or chains to hold in place up there. So it's just this really nice compact jewelry box. It can slide nicely in a drawer. It could even be good for travel or anything like that. So I saw this and I thought, you know what, that is what I would like. So that's what I chose for number 2. So all of the different options you can choose for customization, number 3 will be, you can choose between DEHV Candle Co. Spiced Woods Candle, valued for $48. Milky Way 10% AHA plus Oat Soothing Exfoliating Serum, valued for $58. Tarte Man Eater Mascara, valued for $27. Ellie Veil Medium Hoop Earrings in silver or in gold, both valued for $61. Briogeo Plum Soft Powder Air Dry Cream, valued for $26. Aloha Collection Umbrella, valued for $46. Or you could simply choose a mystery. And that one, I believe I went back and tried to change mine to the candle, but it must not have went because I got the umbrella. I literally have an umbrella in every single one of my doors and a big ass one in the back of my car, because here in Florida, it rains like every single day in the summer. So I have umbrellas everywhere. I don't know if I'll replace one of my door umbrellas with this one, or if I'll just save it or pass this down to somebody. But here in Florida or anywhere, you could always use a umbrella to protect you from the sunshine and from the rain to stay dry. So either way, I thought this would be great. I loved the nice little pattern of it though. Let me open it up so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, it was just a really nice print to it. So I thought, well, maybe I can get rid of like, I think I have like one boring all black one. I'm like, I could get rid of that and put this one in its place. It does have a thing here covering the bottom. I do really like that it has the auto up and down. That is a great feature, especially on an umbrella. Make it nice and easy to do one-handed, that kind of thing. But this is what the pattern will look like. Kind of like this beige-ish, little bit of like a green tone kind of to it, but more of like a beige color. And that's how it would look when you open it up. You have the up and down right there. Like I said, I love that. Some have the up, but they don't have the down. So I like that it can do both. And it has a little string right here, and there is the tag. So here is the umbrella. Again, that is valued at, was it $45? $46. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go with all of the different options for number 4. You can choose between a Home Court CC room deodorant for $45, heat protected hair cream valued at $39, Array Live-In Mist leave-in conditioner valued for $36, Hanky Panky 3-piece packing cubes in color mauve valued for $48, Nude Stick Gel Color Lip Plus Cheek Balm in Posh valued for $27, Glossier G-Suit Soft Touch Lip Cream in Drive valued for $24, Tastemade 6-month trial valued at $35.94. There's an adjustable ring in silver or in gold valued for $42. Color Wow Color Security Shampoo valued for $24, or simply a mystery. And so at first when I filled it out, the room spray was not available. And when I went back to look, it was, so I tried to change it. But again, my change didn't go through, which is perfectly fine. So what I chose first is the Live-In Mist, the leave-in hair conditioner. But for my new box coming up, I'm definitely going to choose that room spray because it sounds amazing and I would love to try that out. So that's what I got for this option. So all of the different options for number 5 will be, you can choose between a vitamin C nourishing cuticle oil that comes with an ultra moisturizing vitamin C base coat bundle for $30, One Kind Dream Cream Night Cream Moisturizer valued at $40, Number 7, Menopause Skincare Protectant and Hydrate Day Cream with SPF 30, valued for $27.99. Bloom Power Patch Nose Strips. It's a pack of 4, valued at $15. Slick Hair Company Girls with More Curls Hair Roller Kit, valued at $30. Ingrown Hair Oil. This is valued at $26. Reusable pop-on manicures in Jet Setter round, valued for $18. Washland Zero Waste laundry detergent strips in Lazy Sunday for 32 loads, valued at $25. Happy Curves Comfort Cream and Comfort Powder Bundle in Tropical, valued for $26.98. Or you could simply choose a mystery. Now for that one, I did choose the One Kind Day Cream Night Cream Moisturizer. However, now that I see the spoilers and I can see the contents, this has lavender in it. And if you follow me, lavender and rose, those artificial flavors, scents, those scents give me like a migraine and I don't want to get one on purpose. So I will then pass this down to somebody who loves lavender and will be able to use it, which is a great thing. Like I said, if it's not something for me, it's always something for you guys. So it's a win-win either way. I will be doing a mystery item again for my new box. So we'll see what we get in the mystery choices. But this is how it is. Like I said, I just now found out it has the lavender. So I will save this for one of you guys. All right, so the last option is number 6. All of the different options would be, you could choose from Dr. Brandt Skincare Lash and Brow Serum, valued at $58. Versed Skin Dr. Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask, valued at $19.99. Tony Moly Pumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, valued at $25. Caraway Tea Towels, set of 2, valued for $30. Harmony Neck and Shoulder Wrap, valued for $65. Aloha Collection Bag, valued at $34. There's a recipe journal book, valued at $38. Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies. It's a set of 3, valued at $22. Pout Preserves Lip Treatment, valued at $22. Banana Bright Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 30, valued at $35, or simply a mystery item. So for that one, I did choose, and it's kind of heavy, the Recovery Neck and Shoulder Wrap. Again, since I did mention the lavender and rose giving migraines, I get migraines and headaches quite often. So I thought this would be a great thing to help me out. It does have a whole lot of weight to it because I do have a weighted thing that I put on my head that helps but this I'm sure is gonna help a whole lot more because it's heavier. It's really, really heavy. So the inside has like this nice, like soft material that would touch your skin. And then this is the outside. You can wrap it around your head. You can wrap it around your neck. You can just leave it on your neck. Do whichever, but I just thought this would be great. It's a hot and cold, and I'm hoping this is going to help me. It says, heat things up. Microwave in 30-second intervals. Do not exceed 90 seconds. Or to cool it off, chill it in the freezer for up to 4 hours. Nice. Do not leave unattended while heating. But yeah, I think that is really, really neat, and I'm super, super excited to try this out. Just, it doesn't have like anything to like click on. You just wrap it around, which I think that's great. I think that's gonna feel so nice on my head. So I can't wait to try that out. So that is everything that I chose for my choice boxes. So going over a quick recap, we have the first thing, which I'm so excited about, is this KitchenAid loaf pan. We have the jewelry box, the umbrella, the hair leave-in conditioner, the night cream, and then the head and neck wrap. All right, you guys. So that is everything that I chose. What would you have chose? Anything different? Would you have chose any of the same items? Definitely let me know. If you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing. There's 2 different options again, the seasonal, box per box, or saving money to go to the annual membership. The seasonal, my code SheCrafty will save you 20% off. That one, box per box, is $69.99. Again, you can choose all of your items and you can swap items for credit. Or if you would like to go to the annual membership to save some money, my code SheCrafty gift will get you an additional free gift, and it's valued up to $200. And that one you will save money, bringing your box price down to $54.99. And then you get to shop faster and pick your box faster than the normal seasonal memberships. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this video. They will all be linked down below with the codes and everything if you like to check them out so you can sign up for yourself. This is a great gift for yourself, or if you want to choose some items for gift ideas for other people. I just love that now everybody gets to choose every single item in the entire box. So that's awesome. Cannot wait for my box to come in once I get that later so I can see what an all mystery box is going to be. So stay tuned to that if you want to check that one out. Again, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.